Assurance wireless phones like the Alcatel A3 are designed for simplicity. To turn your phone on, press and hold the power button, usually on the side, for 2 to 3 seconds until the screen lights up. To turn your phone off, press and hold the power button, then select Power Off from the menu that appears. If your phone freezes or has issues, restarting is key. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds for a force restart, or find the Restart option in Settings, System. This clears temporary glitches without losing your data. These phones now feature improved battery management, potentially offering 10 to 14 days of standby time on flip phones like the Kyocera Durex V with optimized settings. Safe Mode is a diagnostic tool that starts your phone without third-party apps, helping identify problems. To enter Safe Mode, first power off the device completely. Then, press and hold the power button until the Assurance Wireless logo appears. Release the power button and immediately hold the volume down button. Continue holding volume down until the phone fully boots into Safe Mode. You'll see Safe Mode displayed on the screen. In Safe Mode, test if your phone's issues persist. If not, a third-party app is likely the cause. Exit Safe Mode by simply restarting your phone normally. Remember, Assurance Wireless offers free training videos and device replacements if needed, and their support app can help auto-detect and guide you through basic troubleshooting.